Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Today, I have a pretty cool one. So, I just recently got my hands on this Potter PFC 5004. This is the 5004E model, meaning it has expansion cards that you can get. It has a whole bunch of cards to do a whole bunch of different things. I'll give you a little short rundown on the system, and then we'll get to testing. Alright, let's go. Alright, starting in the panel. This is the back of the panel. So you have your MDL sync module there. And then you have your relays. Keep in mind, NAC 2, at least the way that it's programmed now, is non-silenceable. There's your mains power. Alright. So, let's show you the devices. This has 4 zones, by the way. Alright. So, on zone number 4, this is a supervisory zone. So, this doesn't do anything right now as I have it disabled because it kept giving me troubles. This basically just shorts the thing and it puts it in supervisory. I can demonstrate that to you really quickly. Just all I have to do is disable it. I think it's just a bad connection somewhere, but I'm too lazy to fix it right now, so I can go into here, and after a while, there. Huh, that's weird. Works perfectly fine now. Huh. Alright, so it has fault because I don't have batteries or resistors in stock yet. Alright, so let's start with notification appliances, why don't we? Up above the panel, we have a S2415 remote strobe. And we have a first generation P2R. Now on the wall, we have a P2415 right there, and an S2415 right there. This is part of the doorbell, so this has nothing to do with fire alarms. And on zone 1, we have a BD12LX that was converted to conventional. On zone number 3, we have another BD12. This is a PSDAH conventional pull station. On zone 2, we have a 2151. This is not working properly. It keeps giving me false alarms, so I will not be testing that today. However, you will see it be tested in other videos later on. So, let's get testing, why don't we? Alright, let's test zone 1 number first. Alright, let's do zone number 3. Okay, I just did a system reset. So, let's test this now. That's weird, it magically started working perfectly fine. Alright. I also have this microphone. It's not any part of the system currently. So, yeah, I guess that will conclude today's test. Nice, short, and sweet. So, yeah, if you have any recommendations or anything, pop those down in the comment section down below. if you want to see more content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and go follow me on Instagram at RJs_fire alarms_exit and more. So yeah, thanks a lot, Caden, for selling me the panel, and thanks a lot, Gavin, for donating me all of my alarms, with the exception of the HR that I'm using as my doorbell, and this guy. So yeah. Anyways, I really do appreciate it, guys, and give me a like, a subscribe, and a comment. Share with friends. Alright, guys, bye.